To obtain the Rod of the Depths in Roblox Fish, you'll need to collect 2 enchant relics, specifically the Hex and Abyssal enchants, and a depth key from Vertigo. The process begins with acquiring the enchant relics, which can be done by taking them to the appraiser on Moosewood Island during the mutation search event. Although this is not necessary, it does improve the chances of getting the desired relics. You'll need to keep appraising the relics until you get the Hex and Abyssal enchants. Be aware that this is an advanced process, and it's recommended that new players focus on obtaining other rods, such as the Trident Rod, as the Rod of the Depths is very difficult to get. Obtaining the enchant relics will cost a significant amount of in-game currency, at least 1 million, which can be earned by catching valuable fish and selling them. You'll also need to wait for the mutation search event to have a higher chance of getting the relics. If you're unsure how to get enchant relics, you can either fish them out of the sea or purchase them from the Merlin on Sunstone Island for 11,000 each. In addition to the enchant relics, you'll also need to get the albino depth key, which can be found by fishing in the Vertigo area. To access Vertigo, you'll need to find a strange workable event and jump inside it. Once you're in Vertigo, start fishing for the depth key, and after some time, you should be able to get it. It's reported that the key can be found within 30 minutes of fishing. You'll also need to have a 100% best area rating in Vertigo to open the gate to the depths. To achieve this, you'll need to catch all the missing fish in the Vertigo area. If you're struggling, it's recommended that you find a guide to help you reach the 100% best area rating, as it can take a significant amount of time. Once you've met all the conditions, you can speak with the NPC near the gate at the bottom of the Vertigo area to open the gate and enter the depths. Keep in mind that a single depth key will only allow you to enter once, and you'll need to fish for another key to re-enter. After entering the depths, you'll need to cross an obstacle course with stones and reach the central location where the merchant resides. From there, take a right and keep walking until you find the Abyssal Relic altar near the black-colored NPC. Place the Abyssal Relic to complete the first step. Opposite the Relic altar, you'll find a waterfall. Go through it to reach the ledge at the top, where you'll find the Hex Relic altar. Place the Hex Relic, and you'll hear a rumbling noise, and a door will open near the bottom of the waterfall in front of a giant statue. Equip your advanced diving gear and jump inside the portal. You'll need to navigate through a maze, which can be challenging, but tutorials are available to help you through it. At the end of the maze, you'll find a small platform with a statue, and under the statue, you'll find the Rod of the Depths, a red-looking rod. You'll need to pay 750,000 in-game currency to obtain the rod. The process is long and difficult, but the Rod of the Depths is considered the best rod in the game, and obtaining it will be worth the effort.